Hi, welcome to maryw.jones Huntsville, better known as Precious, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And to all of my returning viewers, thank you so much. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to maryw.jones Huntsville. Okay guys, today I will be adding a pop of purple to my living room. I showed you what it looked like before I started adding a pop of purple, and I have already done my couch. So right now I am going to do my love seat. So I got this purple shaggy pillow here that I'm going to place between these two black pillows, and I'm going to see how this will look. Okay, alright, so now I'm not feeling that black and purple right here, so I'm going to go in and put two white pillows on each end, each side of this pillow, purple pillow. And so this is going to give this corner here a little bit more light. So I just want to make sure that this area here has it light. And I'm just going to switch out the white flowers that I got up there. Well, they like a cream, and I'm going to put two purple flowers on that shelf. Now guys, I'm not going to add a lot of purple because I don't want to steer away from my black and white, so I'm just adding a pop. And this is a way where you don't have to take down all of your decor and put up all purple and then have to take all the purple down. Now here's the name of these flowers. You look at them and you determine the name for yourself, okay? I'm not going to try to pronounce that name. So my vase is too tall, so it's too deep for my flora. So I took a couple of plastic bags, and you can get those from any store, grocery store, whatsoever. But anytime your vase is very deep and you need something to raise your flora up, I always go to my bags, honey. My bags would give my flora some lift. And I mean, a lot of time you be wanting to use your vase, but it is too big or it's too deep for the flora that you have. So as you can see, my stems are not that long, but honey, I know how to make it work. So I go ahead on and get those paper bags. Oh, not paper bags. Well, you can't use paper bag really, but these are plastic bags, okay? So I'm going to go ahead on and try to shape this up. And this flora has been packed away for like a year, and most time they lose their shape, but I had them bundled up. They wasn't tight, okay? But this type of flower, this type of flora, it will, you got to spend a little time on it. You have to spend a little time on to shape it up, because I don't want it looking any kind of way. Okay, so here's my floral arrangement. It's all done, and this is all I'm going to do to this vase right here, because I don't want to add too much to it. I do have other purple flora, but right now that's all that I'm adding to it, okay? So I added that other little purple flora on the other end, and these are some roses that my next door neighbor Gloria gave me, so I just drop them right there, okay? Now over to this buffet, I'm only adding one piece of purple, and so this little thing here. I don't know what you call it, but I purchased this from the Dollar Tree, and it was just different. It has a lot of shades of purple in it, and I'm going, I can use that. Now right here on my LED display shelves, I'm just gonna add a purple candle, and I'm gonna do this on each side. Okay, so, and that just bringing that little pop of purple in this area. Okay, now here is the reveal. Yes, this is what it is looking like right now with the pop of purple added to my new living room tour. So that's what we have, guys. That's what we have. So starting from the top and going down to the bottom of my couch, this is what you see right here. And I think it turned out lovely. Didn't want to add too much to it. Still trying to maintain that black and white, but I did want to come in with a little bit of summery before the fall season hits. And I got a lot of other flora that I have not used for this year because of the colors that I have been using, which is my black, white. Then I added some gold and I guess gray, silver. Okay, yes. So I showed you guys this display shelf in my last living room tour. And I love these little shelves here. As you can see, you know I love them because I show them all the time now since I got them. But just to give you a pan around, and I'm going to hush and just play you back to music, okay? Okay, we are coming to the end of this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. And if you have not become a part of the Precious family, I ask that you will consider becoming a part of this Precious family by simply clicking on the subscribe button, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell twice, and that way you will be notified each time when I upload another video. And I will be putting the current video that I showed you before I actually gave you a pop of purple. That entire video can be watched, and I will have it in my end screen. That's all you have to do is just click on it, and the name of it is, I believe, the 2 touches that I added to my new living room tour. Okay, click on that video and you can see the entire video. Okay, I really do thank you for watching once again, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.